To record ongoing interactions with selected students, click the Notes button. Samantha's a terrific student. No issues. Probably no reason to record a note so far. Shelley, on the other hand, is struggling, and I've inserted 2 notes to date. To add to this note, Control D will insert today's date, Control N will insert the student's name, and you can now continue typing with whatever the addition to the note might be. At any time, you can change the view of this screen. You can lower the font, or you can increase the font size. You can bold the text, makes it very readable on the screen. You can send the note to Notepad, or if you've defined a word processor path, you can send it to that word processor. Font selection. Currently, I've got MS Sans Serif, but if you want to merge this note with a MarkBook report card, you can flip to Arial. The only way out of this screen is to click Save and Return at the bottom, or click Save and Return at the top.